Hello students. So today here I am going to tell about your syllabus that has been reduced by AHSEC, Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, due to pandemic COVID-19. The main objective is to reduce the exam stress of the students of the session 2020 to 21 due to this pandemic situation and to prevent learning gaps. So here Assam Higher Secondary Education Council has been reduced 30% of your syllabus. So this all I'm going to explain here. Okay. First you see there are two parts, part A and part B, accountancy. Part A, first I'll tell about part A, Unit 1. Unit 1, accounting for not-for-profit organization. This chapter already I have done. From this unit, this topic has been reduced, incidental trading activities by a not-for-profit organizations. And remaining all points you have to study. Okay. Next, unit number 2. From unit 2, part A, accounting for partnership. Basic concept like characteristics of partnership, partnership deed, contents of partnership deed, all these things already I have given explanation. Unit 2 also over maintenance of capital account of partners like fixed capital method, fluctuating capital method, distribution of profit among partners, interest on capital drawings, right? Like interest on drawings, and then interest on partner's loan to a firm, or salary or commission to a partner, right? Then also I have explained guarantee of a profit to a partner. This problem also I have shown you in my previous video. And past adjustment, okay, that I'm going to show you now. See students, from unit 2, this topic has been reduced by Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, that is guarantee of profit to a partner. So this problem I have shown you in my previous video. So now for this your upcoming exam, final exam 2021, this topic has been reduced, and also past adjustment. So these two topics no need to do. Okay. And preparation of final account of a partnership firm, this one you have to do final account of partnership. Okay. Now I'll talk about unit number 3, that is reconstitution of partnership firm, admission of a partner. So this chapter is going on, right? Mode of reconstitution of partnership firm, this one I have done. Admission of a new partner, matters relating to admission of a new partner, new profit sharing ratio, sacrificing ratio, this one also I have done. Then goodwill, nature, needs, factors affecting and methods of valuation of goodwill. So there are 3 methods for the valuation of goodwill. One is average profit method, another one is super profit method, and capitalization method. So these 3 also I have done. Then accounting treatment of goodwill on admission of a partner. So from this unit, capitalization method you no need to do. This one has been reduced by Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, capitalization method. But you have to do average profit method and super profit method. Only this topic, capitalization method, no need to do. Okay. Next, treatment of accumulated profit and losses. This treatment of accumulated profit and losses, this one I have given explanation in my previous video. Then revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities. This one also I have given explanation, but in my next video I will show you the problem of this revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities. This one left to do. Okay. And adjustment of capital and change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partner, this one also has been reduced by Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. So this topic you have to no need to do. Okay. So from unit 3, capitalization method and adjustment of capital, change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners, no need to do. Okay. Then come to unit number 4, that is the reconstitution of partnership firm, retirement and death of a partner. So from this unit number 4, death of a partner, that is calculation of profit for the current period, treatment of joint life policy and individual life policy in case of death of a partner. This topic has been reduced by Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. Okay. The remaining portions you have to do from unit number 4. And last unit, that is unit number 5 from part A, that is dissolution of partnership firm. From this unit number 5, nothing has been reduced by Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. So whatever here given, unit number 5, everything you have to do. Okay, so this is all about from part A. So part A total 5 units. Okay, now we'll talk about unit that is part B. So students, this is from part B, unit number 1. Unit number 1, accounting for share capital. So from this unit number 1, issue of shares for consideration other than cash, this one, and buyback of share, meaning these two topics has been reduced by Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. So these topics no need to do from unit 1, accounting for share capital. Okay. Now from unit 2, part B, issue and redemption of debenture. From this unit number 2, these topics like issue of debentures for consideration other than cash, issue of debentures as a collateral security, then accounting for interest on debentures, writing off discount or loss on issue of debentures, then purchase in open market or by conversion or by sinking fund method. So these are the topics has been reduced. So just from unit 2, from unit 2, you have to read debenture meaning, types, accounting for issue of debentures. These are accounting practical. Okay. Then terms of issue of debentures. These topics no need, and these 3 topics no need. Redemption of debentures only by payment in lump sum method. This one you have to do practical. Okay. Now from that is from part B, unit number 3, that is financial statement of a company. So this one already done. This chapter finish. Financial statement of a company. From this unit 3, nothing has been reduced. So whatever here given, everything you have to do. Then unit 4, analysis of financial statements. Analysis of financial statement, this chapter also done, already completed. So from this unit number 4, nothing has been reduced by Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. Whatever here given, all you have to do. Okay. Now from unit 5, accounting ratio. See, from this accounting ratio, that is unit 5 from part B, this chapter also completed, already done this chapter. So from this unit number 5, meaning of accounting ratio, you have to do, you have to read ratio analysis, objectives, what are the objectives of ratio analysis, what are the advantages of ratio analysis, what are the limitations. These 3 topics you have to do study, and meaning of accounting ratio also you have to do study. Types, you know that there are different types of ratio analysis, that is liquidity ratio, solvency ratio, activity turnover ratio, or profitability ratio. So these all are practicals. So this practical also has been reduced by Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. So only from this unit 5 you have to read theory, meaning of accounting ratio, and what are the objectives of ratio analysis, what are the advantages of ratio analysis, what are the limitations of ratio analysis. Up to this much you have to do study from unit number 5. So from this unit number 5 you no need to do practical. Okay. So this is about unit number 5. One more unit left from part B. So students, from part B, one more unit left, that is unit number 6, cash flow statement. Right. So from this chapter, unit number 6, here meaning, nature, objectives of cash flow statement. That means meaning of cash flow statement, nature of cash flow statement, objectives of cash flow statement. Theory you have to read from unit number 6. This part, preparation of cash flow statement as per accounting standard issued by ICAI. This one is practical. You have to prepare cash flow statement. So this one also has been reduced by Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. So this is the practical. So this one no need to do. Okay. That means from unit number 6 you have to read only theory, meaning, nature, and objectives of cash flow statement. So this is all about the syllabus that has been reduced by Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. Okay, so I hope everybody you understood. Okay, so thank you for today.